Hi friends, hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we will learn Gujarat Board 10th Standard March 2025 Section C questions. The question is all about the elimination method. Okay, so the linear pair of the equation of two variables are given in the question and we have to identify the value of x and y by elimination method. So the question here is solve the linear pair of equation in a two variables x plus y is equal to 5, 2x minus 3y is equal to 4 by elimination method. This question is for sure will be asked in any of the board examinations for the section C. This is the if you see the past 5 years exams paper for the Gujarat board, the elimination method question is asked in all the past 5 years. So this was asked in, and you can practice by seeing this video and you come to know that how we can find out the value of x and y. Okay, so now the given equation is x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y equal to 4. So this is our first equation and this is our second equation. Now when we talk about the elimination method, that means we have to eliminate the value of either x or y. So when we want to eliminate any of the value has to be same for in both the equation. Okay, so now you see here x carries the coefficient 1 and in equation 2 the x carries the coefficient as a 2. So these are the two different values, and for the y it has a coefficient 1, and for in the second equation y carries the coefficient minus 3. So these are also the different two values. Therefore what we want to do, we want to make either of x or y, one of the value has to be the same in both the equation. So to do this, for the first equation, if I apply 2, that means here I apply 2x. So this 2x and this 2x will be same, and by the subtracting this equation we can eliminate the value of x, and then after we can evaluate the value of y. Because if there are two unknown variables, we cannot resolve the value of either x or y. So for that, one of the variable has to be eliminated first, and then based on the rest of the values we can identify the value of the other variable. Okay, so now I am multiplying the value of first equation by 2 and the second equation by 1, because we do not want any change in the second equation. So multiplying by 1, this equation will remain the same. Okay, so if you see that in the first equation I have multiplied 2x plus 2y and then 5 to the 10, right? And second equation remain as it is, 2x minus 3y equal to 4, right? Now here 2x and 2x, so it carries the plus sign here, so we have to change the sign, so we can subtract this and eliminate the value of x. So here the default sign is plus. When there is no sign is given, default sign is plus. So changing the sign, now it's a negative. Here it is minus, so changing the sign plus. Here there is a no sign given, so it is a plus. So I am changing the sign as a negative sign, minus. So we can say that plus 2x. Now we have to consider this new sign for this. So plus 2x minus 2x, so it is 0, and plus 2y plus 3y. We would consider this new plus sign for this 3y, not this negative one. So plus 2y plus 3y is equal to 5y, and plus 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. Therefore 5y is equal to 6. Therefore if we are taking this 5 on another side of equal is, then it is in multiplication, but once it goes to the another side of the equal side, then it will be in the divided. It will become in the denominator. Therefore, y is equal to 6 upon 5. So, this is our first variable value. So, based on the elimination of x value, we have find out the value of y. Now, we know that equation x plus 5 is equal to 5. This is given in the question itself. So, we are putting the value of y is equal to 6 by 5 in this above equation. Why we are putting this? Because we know that the y is known to us. If we put this value in this equation, we can find out the value of x. So, x plus y is 6 by 5. So, x plus 6 by 5 equal to 5. We have kept this value, right? Now, we want to resolve this equation. How we will resolve? We can take the LCM. So, if we are taking the LCM, now under the x there is nothing. So, it is a 1. So, to make it equal the LCM is 1 and 5 is 5. Right? So, we have to multiply the numerator by 5. Right? So, if I multiply 5 here, then it is a 5x plus here 5 itself is in the denominator. So, we can directly write 6, and this 5 will be also multiplied and another side of equal. So, it's a 5 5 is a 25. So, if I resolve like this to make it simple for you, 5x upon 1 plus 6 upon 5. Here also I multiply nothing, right, and equal to 5. Then 5x plus 6 upon 5 is 5, and therefore 5x plus 6 equal to 25. So 5x plus 6 is equal to 25. How we get this? Like this. So this is a simple LCM rule that you applied to evaluate this equation, nothing else. This is something you know already. So you have to apply that only, right? Applying the LCM method, whatever LCM is there, then multiply on another side of this. So you will get this 5x plus 6 equal to 25. Now 5x is equal to 25. If plus 6 go on another side of equal, then it will be a negative. So 5x is equal to 25 minus 6. Therefore 5x is equal to 25 minus 6 is 19. X is equal to 19, and 5 will come on another side of equal, then it will become in the denominator from the multiplication to divided form, right? So now we have a value of x also, right? So the two variables of x and y is 19 upon 5 and the 6 upon 5. 19 upon 5 is our x value and y is our 6 upon 5. So this is the solution. So by elimination method, you can find out the value of x and y in such a manner. You have to first eliminate the one of the variable, and keeping the another variable as it is, you can find out the value of that another variable. And once you get the first variable value, you can put that value in existing equation and evaluate that equation. So finally you will have both the pair of variables x and y. Hope this explanation help you in your preparations for your 10th standard examination. Exam is approaching very soon. So I hope this video help you. You can pause the video, you can see the multiple times, and this will definitely give you a clear idea and clarifications or for the such type of questions. If you have any friends who are struggling with the such questions for the solution, you can forward this video to them, share with them. And if you like this explanation, please like this video, share this video and subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you so much.